64th season of the ukulele. It's raining so hard, looks like it's gonna rain all night. And this is the time I love to be holding you tight. I guess I'll have to accept the fact that you are not here. I wish tonight would hurry up and end, my dear. It's raining so hard, it's really coming down. Sitting by my window, watching rain fall